Welcome students, welcome to the English Club where search comes to an end. In previous topic we had learned about the adverbs. Today we will learn about the adjectives. What is the adjective? A word which gives more or extra information about a noun is called the adjective. Now adjective means what? An extra information about noun. Now we have various kinds of adjectives. We'll just go through it. First, adjectives of quality. It shows the kind or quality of a person or thing. Now, Mumbai is a large city. Mumbai is a city, but in what manner? It is very large. It's a large city. That's why large is considered as adjective. City is a noun and extra information about the city. That's why large. She has a pen. She has a red pen. See, red is an extra information about this noun, pen. That's why it is considered the adjective. Adjectives of quantity shows how much or thing is meant. We ate some bananas. We ate bananas, but some bananas. So some is an extra information in form of quantity. You have no sense. You have no sense, but no sense in a negation manner. So no is an extra information. Adjectives of number show how many persons or things are meant. Sorry. We have 5 fingers. We have fingers, but how many fingers? We have 5 fingers. Then we have 5 fingers in a hand. It should be we have 5 fingers. We have 10 fingers in both hands. We have 10 fingers to our toes. We have total 20 fingers. Such as it's just merely a sentence. Few cats like cold water. Cats like cold water, but not all cats. Only few cats. Negative. We will learn this a few, very few afterwards. 1, 2, 3, etc. These are called cardinals. And first, second, third, fourth, fifth, these are called ordinals. Now these two important things, cardinals and ordinals, these things come under determiners. Cardinals and ordinals, these are the family members of determiner. Just be careful. We had separate parts of speech over there in determiners where we will again learn these things. Now distributive adjectives. Now what do you mean by distributive adjectives? Which refers to each one of a number. Each boy must take his turn. Each boy means each and every person, means everyone. India expects every man. So each, every, these are called distributive adjectives. India expects every man to do his duty. Demonstrative adjectives, again most important thing, demonstrative adjectives, these are also the part of determiner. Points out which person or thing is meant. This, that, these, those, these are the 4 demonstrative adjectives. We if you are able to recall our pronoun section where we had already learned this demonstrative adjectives and pronoun, possessive pronouns. So there I had already cleared your doubts. This boy is stronger than Hari. This boy, not any other boy, only this boy. So this is considered to be demonstrative adjective. Those mangoes are good for eating. Only those mangoes, not these mangoes. So we have already demonstrated over there. Whatever mangoes which are kept over there, those mangoes are only good for eating. This is. Now these are the segregations, or these are the kinds of adjectives. Adjectives of quality, quantity, number, distributive adjectives and demonstrative adjectives. These are the basic knowledge, basic things for adjective. Now the most important thing, whatever silly mistakes we have been doing in speaking and writing, it will be cleared now. Now use of adjectives, especially I have segregated this particular topic, that is little, a little and the little. In the same manner we have few, a few, very few, that manner. Now see, little, not much, hardly any, it's a total negative manner. Thus the adjective little has a negative meaning. There is a little hope of his recovery, means what? There is no hope. Definitely he is not going to be saved. He has little appreciation of good poetry. This little to be considered in a negation manner, negative meaning. That's why it's totally in negative manner. A little, some, though not much. A little has a positive meaning. There is a little hope of recovery. There is a little hope. A little hope means what? Yes, still he can be saved. She can be saved. Yes, there is a little hope. A little, just a difference of article is over there. A little knowledge is a dangerous thing. Yes, positively, if we will take a little knowledge of any kind of thing, is a dangerous. Uh, if we do not have a detailed knowledge of the things, we need not to handle that particular equipment or a situation. We must have a thorough knowledge of it. The little, not much, but all there is. The little information he had was not quite reliable. I mean, whatever information he had, it was not quite reliable. But we are not having any confidence that yes, it might be a correct thing. The little knowledge of masonry that he possessed stood him in good state. Good state. The knowledge, the little knowledge of masonry. Masonry means the one who works under in an engineer who constructs houses. Now, same rules for few, a few, and the few. Few negative manner, a few little bit positive, and the few in the same and not much but all there is. This is. So we have to pay attention to this little, a little, and the little, because often we are confused in little and this a little. Most of the time, this will definitely not be utilized in various kinds of sentences, but these two things. So we need to consider little, and we can just, so whatever things are written here, we need to understand it. There is a little hope of his recovery. I have few pains. I will just explain it again for your better information for this. Now see, have I a few manner, it's total negative. I have a few pains. Yes, positively, yes, I have. It might be possible I have one extra pain, two extra pain, or three extra pain. So these two things are important. I have few pains means totally I do not have a single pain with me. I'm just telling I have few pains means it's negative manner. We are not supposed to say yes, he must have his pain or he must have some kind of pains. But when the person says I have a few pains, so this a few pains means he has a little hope to have pains. This is the segregation of little, a little, and the little. In the same manner, few, a few, and the few. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. If you have any doubts regarding this topic or any other topic, please put your comments. Please ask your question, write down your questions in the comment box. I'll try to answer. Thank you very much.